Meaning of half-sister.
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 Half-sister. A half-sister is a female sibling who shares only one biological parent with another sibling. This means that while they have a common biological father or mother, the other parent is different. For example, if a person's father has a child with a different woman who is not their mother, then that child would be their half-sister. Half-siblings may share some genetic traits and characteristics, but they may also have significant differences due to their differing genetic makeup. Overall, a half-sister is a unique type of familial relationship that can have both similarities and differences compared to a full sibling.